The Chore-Time package includes highly customizable layer and pullet cage systems. Built tier by tier with durability in mind, cage rows can go many tiers high and hundreds of feet or meters long. A modular interlocking design makes shipping, installation, and maintenance easier. Welded wire mesh cages are available in varying depths for optimizing space per bird and use a sturdy steel support system rather than plastic. Chore-Time uses wire mesh partitions between cages to promote better ventilation than plastic or solid partitions used by others. Cage bottoms are made using Galfan wire for outstanding corrosion resistance. Thanks to in-house manufacturing and the latest welding technology, we are able to maintain tight tolerances while varying wire gauge and mesh spacing. Unique dual slope floors improve egg rollout and protect eggs from bird damage. The special cage door design makes it easy for birds to reach feed, yet the door slides or pushes wide open to offer workers full access to birds. Chore-Time sliding layer cage doors feature positive door locks for easy one-handed operation. Push-in doors and a remotely adjustable front are available on pullet cages.